A Canadian company has developed a groundbreaking material with the potential to make invisibility a reality. What once seemed like science fiction is now coming closer to everyday life. Hyper-Stealth Biotechnology, a Vancouver-based company, has created and patented an innovative ultra-thin material that claims to provide what they call quantum invisibility. This material can render certain objects almost completely indistinguishable, and it requires no power source to operate. The technology is expected to have various applications, particularly in creating camouflage uniforms for soldiers and law enforcement. These special uniforms are being developed for armies in countries such as the United States, Canada, India, Jordan, the United Arab Emirates, Slovakia, and New Zealand. The foundation for this invisibility fabric was laid as early as 2010, and now the cutting-edge technology has been unveiled to the public. Previously, the armies of Great Britain and the United States had shown interest in this remarkable invention. Guy Kramer, the president of Hyper-Stealth Biotechnology and the inventor of the invisibility fabric, has filed 4 patent applications for the technologies behind this innovation. At the heart of these technologies is quantum invisibility, which uses a plastic-like material that achieves invisibility by manipulating light rays. This material works by scattering and erasing light rays through microscopic lenses, making objects at a certain distance behind it appear indistinguishable. The unique material doesn't just bend light in the visible spectrum. It also affects ultraviolet and infrared light, expanding its potential uses even further. Chinese military's breakthrough in invisibility technology. The development of invisibility cloaks has taken a significant leap forward, with reports suggesting that China is leading the charge. According to Chinese social media sources, the People's Liberation Army has allegedly received its first batch of 1,000 invisible military suits. While no official confirmation has been made, it's worth noting that Chinese scientists have been on the verge of achieving this groundbreaking technology for the past 2 years. The idea of an invisibility cloak might sound like something out of science fiction, but Chinese researchers are making strides in turning it into a scientific reality. Their work focuses on creating devices capable of scattering and bending light, effectively rendering objects invisible. Earlier attempts to achieve invisibility relied on metamaterials, engineered substances with properties not found in nature. However, working with metamaterials posed significant challenges. To overcome these difficulties, scientists have turned to malonium trioxide, a material with exceptional properties for controlling energy flows. Modeling experiments indicate that rolled sheets of malonium trioxide could serve as a viable alternative to metamaterials. This material has already shown remarkable potential, offering near-perfect invisibility in simulations. If successful, this innovation could revolutionize military technology, marking a new era in stealth capabilities. Invisibility technology has been a growing focus of interest within the scientific community. Over the years, numerous theories and prototypes have emerged, aiming to create invisible materials. Recently, a groundbreaking development was reported by Alert, highlighting the work of a research team from the University of Extremadura, Spain. These scientists have demonstrated a novel approach to electromagnetic object masking, leveraging the refractive properties of specific substances. Traditionally, invisibility technologies involve covering an object with specialized materials. However, the Spanish researchers have introduced a different approach. Instead of relying on external coverings, they propose incorporating special additives directly into the materials and structures of the object itself. This innovative technique is based on plasma cloaking, a cutting-edge technology that renders both the covering material and the object invisible. The principle behind this breakthrough lies in using materials with high dielectric and magnetic properties. By filling the structures with these substances, the researchers achieved electromagnetic invisibility without requiring any external masking. This method not only conceals the object, but also allows it to interact seamlessly with its surroundings, free from external interference. Currently, this technique is limited to small objects. However, the researchers are optimistic that future advancements will enable its application to larger structures. This new approach could revolutionize the field of invisibility technology, paving the way for exciting possibilities in the years to come. A London-based company, Invisibility Shield Coatir, has introduced an innovative device called the Invisibility Shield 2.0. This groundbreaking shield, made from transparent polycarbonate and thin lenses, scatters light reflected by the user and their surroundings, creating a stunning invisibility effect. If brought to mass production, the shield is expected to retail at prices ranging from $68 to $883. According to the developers, potential uses include wildlife observation and military applications. The Invisibility Shield 2.0 is an improved version of its predecessor, boasting a larger, lighter, stronger, and more stable design. It's also brighter and easier to transport. The shield is crafted as a curved sheet of high-quality transparent polycarbonate, held vertically by a matching frame. At its core, a series of tall, thin lenses runs vertically from top to bottom. When a user stands behind the shield, the lenses scatter the light reflected by their body, distributing it across the shield's surface. This effect makes the user blend seamlessly into the background, as anyone viewing from the front sees only a continuation of the surrounding environment. The company has highlighted several practical applications for the shield, including its use in Korean dating shows to conceal participants, in paintball games to remain unnoticed, in stage illusions for hiding small items on desks, and for wildlife observation. However, one notable drawback is that users cannot see clearly through the shield and must peek out from behind it to view their surroundings. Introducing the ultimate camouflage design, tailor-made for rocky terrain. Take a moment to observe how incredibly challenging it is to spot the camouflaged soldier amidst the rugged rocks. Surprisingly, it's not a high-tech suit that hides him, but rather a simple, lightweight cotton shawl, a versatile accessory resembling a large scarf. It's easy to fold and conveniently fits into a waist bag. This revolutionary technology has quickly become a game-changer, particularly for professional soldiers. While it might not be something the average person would use, military snipers have embraced this innovation, allowing them to vanish into their surroundings in mere seconds. With this, you're no longer a person. You become part of the landscape, blending seamlessly into the rocky terrain like a natural formation. You might be surprised to see this device painted in camouflage colors. However, its secret doesn't lie in the paint. Once it's fully set up, its purpose becomes instantly clear. At first glance, it might look like something designed for a unique photo shoot. But in reality, this technology is incredibly practical for hunting. Experts will likely recognize it immediately. It's known as a mirror hide. The concept is straightforward. The reflective surface of the enclosure allows it to blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape, providing excellent cover for the hunter inside. While this clever trick won't deceive a human observer, it works remarkably well with animals. This is a fascinating illusion created by the automotive company Mercedes-Benz. What you're seeing isn't just a flat screen. It's a fully functional automobile. Here's how the illusion works. One side of the car is covered with a layer of LEDs, while a camera is installed on the opposite side. The camera captures the surroundings and instantly projects the image onto the LED panels. This clever setup effectively transforms the car into a real-life chameleon, blending seamlessly with its environment. Amazingly, this effect works even while the car is in motion. Mercedes-Benz used this innovative technology to promote their lineup of zero-emission vehicles, symbolizing how these cars have minimal impact on their surroundings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.